Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Today is Sunday and I am doing another vlog. We got some of the furniture moved in and some of it is still in the truck. My husband and the landlord's two teenage sons helped him move things. We got some boxes in and we really still can't move anything in because the floors are going to be done. He thought he was going to do the floors today, but he didn't have enough time. He tried to get the ceiling fans up, but he ran into a problem with that. Sent my husband for a part that he needed to Lowe's and said it was in stock. And my husband goes there, wasn't. They sent him to another one, wasn't there. So we're going to end up ordering it off of eBay. So that was like wasted time and all. And then he tried, he pulled the oven out and was trying to get it pushed back where it needed to go and fix the plug and everything. And it still, I'll show you, it still is not, won't go all the way back where it needs to. So it's about this much. I'll end up showing you. So he says he's going to have to find some way to fill in that gap and fix that. Let's see. So, I think that's about all he really got done. There wasn't a whole lot accomplished. The boys really did a lot. They were a big help today. The oldest one, he finished scraping up the paint in the bathroom off the floor, getting all that up, and got the rest of the nails done. And I'll show you kind of, oh, a pretty dog. Sorry. Finished getting some stuff. As you see, there's this big white cabinet behind me, but it's not going to work in here. It used to be in our old kitchen, see, but it's not going to work because there's not enough room. So we're going to end up having to get it out of here. I thought it would work in here, but yeah, it's not going to work. Just not enough room for it, like I thought. So I'm hoping maybe I can use it in my craft room. So let me take you just a quick spin. It looks like it just, a bomb went off here, but I'll show you what it looks like. So like here's where I was sitting, here's that big cabinet. And like I was saying, there's just not enough room. Even with the stool pushed in, there's just not enough room to open it, especially with the door opening on that one side. And I don't know where else I can put it in this kitchen except for right there. There's no other place to put it. So unless it was to go over here, but then I've got my hutch. So I have to decide, do I want the cabinet in here or the hutch? And then one of those pieces would have to go in another room. So I can either have the cabinet in my craft room or the hutch in my craft room. I'll have to figure out which one I need where is the thing. The other piece is still on the truck. So the truck is still out there with stuff on it. I had to cut some cardboard and put it up under the legs because apparently this floor really goes down. We always kept thinking we were like going up and down a hill right here. So remember, this building is over 100 years old. My landlord gave me some white paint, so when I get a chance I'm going to paint that. And it is like a gloss, I think it's a high gloss paint, so that'll be work pretty well. That way it'll wipe down easily. I have been scrubbing these cabinets again. I wiped them down real well before they went up, but I've had to climb up there and scrub them down again because they are just so dirty. They really are. And the dirt that is coming out. And I've been using the Dawn that my daughter got me. That Dawn Power Wash. And one of these sponges. And that sponge is... slow because I don't want to make anybody dizzy or sick. It's one of these, the Sponge Daddy. Comes in a pack of 4. Scrub, flip, wipe. These are awesome. And then what we got the paint up with, he used one of these. It has the eraser. It's the Eraser Daddy. And yeah, he said that worked great. And these are reusable, so you can see some of the yellow paint. And yeah, he said that worked great just with a little water. And 2 come in the pack. And then she also got me this too. So they have the Scrub Mommies and the Scrub Daddy, but she got the Scrub Daddies. So like I say, I had to move stuff over here, but we've just got stuff sitting everywhere. This is kitchen stuff, of course, and then there's kitchen stuff. All this is kitchen stuff, and then I've got some kitchen stuff in sitting in my craft room. I don't have any craft stuff in here because they do have to take this. I've cleared this out so we could sit kitchen stuff in here. This all's got to come out so that they can take this carpet out and redo this floor. Then we can start putting the furniture and all in here and work on this room. But I'll show you this floor, how much better now it looks. Let me turn that because that turns on that. But you see how much nicer. And he got the nails taken care of. We kept that out of the way. The ones he couldn't get up, he just hammered down real good. So I think they're still getting hung. There's one that's hanging on my shoe. So I don't know what's hanging. Oh, you know what? That's not a nail. I think it's part of the flooring. Because I know he pulled it. Yeah, he pulled all those up. So, but let me zoom in for you. So yeah, you can see the floor looks much better. I don't know if you remember what it looked like. So if I can try to remember to stick a picture of what it used to look like up here. Now I think I just need to kind of sweep in here again. And then found my toilet brush, yay! So I got rid of that old yucky black one from Dollar Tree. But I am so happy that that's bathroom floor looks a lot better. So some things are coming along. I do need to clean my bathroom again. I don't know what this knot in the floor is, and I keep forgetting to ask him, but it is really starting to bulge through here. So I'm going to have to ask him about that because I keep stepping on it, and you can really see it. I mean, you see how it's cracking through the flooring now. So yeah, I'm going to have to ask him about that. You see that? I don't know what that's from, but it hurts my foot when I walk on it. So let's see what else. Like I said, he took the fan down, started to put it up, but he needed some kind of a bracket or brace or something, he said, to hold it up. And there's our fireplace. I'm keeping these. I'm going to do a DIY with them. And, oh yeah, I forgot we had that fan. He started to put this together, and then I forgot. What the deal was. So, anyway, they stopped on this one too. I think this is our internet stuff. And I think my husband said they're coming tomorrow. And then I think, I don't know if he's coming tomorrow or when to do the flooring. I know he said he will be fixing the air conditioner. We got to test that air conditioner, make sure it even works. Shut this door. And then I'll take you out in the hall to show you. It's a good thing it's just us and another person living here for right now. But there's our washer and dryer. So yeah, that's all of our stuff sitting out there in the hall right now. And that's not everything. Look, there's my sewing machine. That's just about half the stuff off the truck. And so I hope y'all are enjoying these vlogs that I've been doing. Hopefully I'll be doing another one tomorrow on Monday, and if not Monday, shortly after that, to let y'all see and on an update on what's been going on around here. Yeah, I'll just keep posting these and sharing on what's been going on. Y'all please comment down below, let me know if y'all are enjoying these, and like I said, if you are, I'll keep posting them. And if you're a new subscriber, please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell for all notifications. That way YouTube will notify you when I post new videos. And remember to share, and also if you will please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and because doing that definitely helps my YouTube channel to grow, and it lets me know that you are enjoying my content. So with that being said, I'll say thank you and have a blessed day, and I'll see you again soon.